Masinram and Cherrapunji receives more than 1000 centimeters rainfall due to the southwestern monsoons. Why these two places receive why these two places receive more than 1000 centimeters rainfall? Because of these two places are surrounded by the Khasi Hills, Jayantia Hills, Garo Hills. Least rainfall receives Rajasthan state. Least rainfall receives Rajasthan state due to southwestern monsoons because the direction of the southwestern monsoons is parallel to the direction of the Aravalli Mountains. The direction of the southwestern monsoons is parallel to the direction of the Aravalli Mountains. So, least rainfall receives Rajasthan state. The Aravalli Mountains are the oldest mountains in India. The direction of the Aravalli Mountains from northeastern to southwestern direction. The direction of the Aravalli Mountains is from northeastern to southwestern direction. Southwestern direction. It is a brief explanation about southwestern monsoons, summer monsoons, pro monsoons, from water to land monsoons. The second one is northeastern monsoons. The northeastern monsoons commence or begin from Siberia of Russia and move towards surface of the Indian Ocean. Particularly these winds center in northeastern side of India, so these are called northeastern monsoons. The northeastern monsoons are also called winter monsoons because these winds commence or begin in the winter season. The period of the northeastern monsoons from September 15th to December 15th. Northeastern monsoons, winter monsoons, retreat or return monsoons, which are also called from land to water monsoons because these winds commence or begin from surface of Siberia. From surface of the Siberia move towards surface of the Indian Ocean. The southern Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu state receive heavy rainfall due to the northeastern monsoons. Why the southern Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu state receive heavy rainfall due to the northeastern monsoons? Because these monsoons are intercepted by the or prevented by the these monsoons are intercepted by the or prevented by the Nilagiri mountains of Tamil Nadu state. And also, due to northeastern monsoons, rainfall is available China, Japan, and Southeast Asian countries. China, Japan, Southeast Asian countries. It is a brief explanation about northeastern monsoons. Now we are going to vegetation in Indian climatic zone or monsoon climate. One is tropical evergreen forest. The second one is monsoon forest. Third one is thorny forest or scrub forest. Fourth one is tidal forest. Tidal forest. Fifth one is mountain forest. The tropical evergreen forest grow. The tropical evergreen forest grow where the rainfall is more than 200 centimeters. Particularly west coast of India, northeastern states, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Important vegetation mahogany, ebony, rosewood, and so forth. The monsoons. The monsoon forest grow where the rainfall is from 75 to 200 centimeters. These forests or vegetation grow middle part of India, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and so forth. Important vegetation, take bamboos, sandal, semul, sal, and so forth. Third one is thorny forest. Thorny forest grow where the rainfall is less than 75 centimeters. Particularly, this vegetation grow Thar desert region, Rayalaseema of Andhra Pradesh, Thar desert region, Rayalaseema of Andhra Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada of Maharashtra. Thar desert, Rayalaseema of Andhra Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada of Maharashtra. Important vegetation type, aloe vera, acacia, cactus, and so forth. Fourth one is tidal forest. The tidal forest grow where the rivers join the seas. The tidal forest grow where the rivers join the seas. Particularly Ganga River, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Penna, and so forth. The tidal forests are also called mangroves forest. Boats are manufactured by the mangroves vegetation. The tidal forests are also called Sundarbans in Ganga River area, particularly West Bengal and Bangladesh, because there are Sundari vegetation grow. Ships are manufactured by the Sundari vegetation. The mangroves distribute Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and so forth rivers areas. In South India, whereas in North India, Ganga River, particularly in West Bengal and Bangladesh. Mountain forest, people. The mountain forest are again classified into 5 divisions. One is a tropical forest, the second one is subtropical forest, third one is a temperate forest. Tropical forest, subtropical forest, temperate forest. Fourth one is coniferous. Fifth one is alpine. Softwood is produced from this vegetation. Important trees are fir pine, larch spruce, coniferous, alpine. Fir pine, larch spruce, coniferous, alpine, and so forth. This vegetation is used for the manufacturing of the newsprint. So far, we have been completed. So far, 4 climatic zones have been completed. One is equatorial climatic zone. The second one is the tropical deserts climatic zone. Third one is tropical grasslands climatic zone. Fourth one is Indian climatic zone or monsoon climatic zone. Therefore, these 4 climatic zones are under tropical climatic zone or hottest climatic zone or torrid climatic zone, because The sun rays fall vertically of these four climatic zones. Four zones. Now we are going to Mediterranean climatic zone. The Mediterranean climatic zone. The Mediterranean climatic zone is located western side of the continents, both northern and southern hemispheres, particularly 30 to 45 degrees around the Mediterranean Sea. This climatic zone is also called fruits basket or fruits disk of the world because more fruits cultivation in this climate zone. The rainfall is available in this climatic zone due to the anti-trade winds. And the rainfall is available due to the trade winds in equatorial climate zone. And the rainfall is available due to the monsoons in Indian climatic zone. Due to anti-trade winds, the rainfall is available in the Mediterranean climatic zone or fruits basket of the world climatic zone. Important places which distribute or which are located in the Mediterranean climatic zone. One is Mediterranean Sea. In Mediterranean Sea, some islands distribute. One is Corsica, Sardinia, Sicily, Crete, and so forth. Corsica, Sardinia, Sicily, Crete, Cyprus Islands distribute in the Mediterranean Sea. Portugal, Spain, Greece, Italy, Albania, southern France, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Slovenia, Montenegro, and so forth countries border with the Mediterranean Sea. Border with the Mediterranean Sea in European continent. And in African continent, the northern part of the Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. The northern part of the Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt border with the Mediterranean Sea in African continent. In Asian continent, Lebanon, Israel, Syria, Turkey border with the Mediterranean Sea. In North America, California state of USA. These places are located 30 to 45 degrees in the western side of the northern hemisphere. Now we are going to southern hemisphere. Important places of Mediterranean climate zone or west warm temperate climate zone. The west warm temperate climate zone is located or it distributes in the southern hemisphere, Central Chile of South America, Cape Town of South America, Victoria of Australia. Only three places distribute the southern hemisphere, Central Chile of South America, Cape Town of South Africa, Victoria of Australia. We can see two types of winds in this climate zone. One is cold winds, the second one is hot winds. You can see two types of winds in this climate zone. We can see two types of winds in this climate zone. One is cold winds, the second one is hot winds. The winds which commence from the Mediterranean Sea towards Europe are called cold winds. Again, these are classified into two types. One is Bora, the second one is Mistral. One is Bora, the second one is Mistral. The winds which commence from the Mediterranean Sea towards Italy are called Bora. The winds which commence from the Mediterranean Sea towards France are called Mistral. And second one is hot winds. The winds which commence from the desert areas are called hot winds. The winds from Sahara Desert are called Sirocco. The winds which commence from Sonoran Desert of North America, are called Santana. Important vegetation in the Mediterranean climate zone. Olive, polymetal, cork oak. These are the important vegetation which grow in the Mediterranean climate zone. Olive oil is manufactured from the olive plant. The biggest cine industry in the world is Hollywood. It is in Los Angeles district of California state of USA in North America. It's a brief explanation about the Mediterranean climate zone or west warm temperate climate zone. Now we are going to China climate zone. China climate zone is located eastern side of the continents, both northern and southern hemispheres, particularly in between 30 to 45 degrees eastern side. Important places which distribute in the China climate zone, one is eastern part of China in Asian continent, Florida state of USA in North America, only two places in the northern hemisphere, whereas in the southern hemisphere, northeastern part of Argentina country in South America, Natal coast of South Africa, eastern part of Australia. These are the important places. Shanghai city is the trade city in this climate zone. It is located on the bank of Yangtze-Kiang River. Yangtze-Kiang River is the biggest river in Asian continent. It rises from the Kunlun Shan mountains of China, flows towards eastern side, and it outflows into the Pacific Ocean. It outflows into the Pacific Ocean. China soils having the most fertile soils when compared with the other climatic zones of the world. So far, 6 climatic zones have been completed. One is equatorial climate zone, or hot and wet climate zone, or tropical evergreen forest climate zone, or selvas climate zone. The second one is tropical deserts climate zone. Third one is tropical grasslands climate zone. Fourth one is Indian climatic zone or monsoon climate zone. In Indian climate zone, we can see Mekong River. The Mekong River is also called Southeast Asian Danube River. Why the Mekong River is also called Southeast Asian Danube River? The Mekong River rises in southern part of China, flows through southern part of China, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, and it outflows into the South China Sea near Cambodia. South China Sea is the part of the Pacific Ocean, and it is the biggest sea in the world. Why the Mekong River is called Southeast Asian Danube River? If any river flows more than one country, then it is called international river. The Danube River is called more countries traveled international river in the world. The Danube River rises in Germany of European continent, flows through Germany, Austria, Slovakia, Hungary, Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria. Flows through Germany, Austria, Slovakia, Hungary, Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria, and it outflows in the Black Sea. It is the more countries traveled international river in the world. After that, or after this river, more countries travel international river, Mekong River. These in Indian climatic zone. And so we are going to Methane climatic zone, China climatic zone. Over 6 climatic zones have been complete. 6 climatic zones have been completed so far. Now we are going to temperate grasslands climatic zone. The temperate grasslands climatic zone distributes are located from 30 to 55 degrees middle part of the continents, both northern and southern hemispheres. Again, these temperate grasslands are classified into 5 divisions or 5 types. One is steppes grasslands, second one is Welsh grasslands, third one is prairies grasslands, fourth one is pampas grasslands, third one is downs grasslands. The steppes grasslands distribute in Asian continent and European continent. The steppes distribute in Asia at Siberia of Russia and in European continent near Po River and Danube River area. The local name of the steppes river at Hungary country of European continent is called Pusztas. The local name of the steppes grasslands in Hungary country of European continent is called Pusztas. The second one is Welsh grasslands. The temperate grasslands in South Africa are called Welsh. Particularly Welsh distribute at Transvaal and Orange Free State of South Africa. Third one is prairies grasslands. The prairies grasslands. In North America, the temperate grasslands are called prairies. Particularly, prairies distribute southern part of Canada and central USA. The prairies grasslands area is called breadbasket of the world or bread disk of the world because more wheat cultivation in this area. Fourth one is pampas grasslands. The temperate grasslands in South America are called pampas. Particularly, pampas grasslands grow southern part of the Argentina country. Fifth one is downs grasslands. The temperate grasslands in Australian continent are called downs. Particularly, downs grasslands grow near Murray and Darling rivers area of Australian continent. Murray and Darling rivers are the familiar rivers in Australian continent. These are the 5 grasslands which grow, 5 types grasslands which grow in the temperate grasslands regions, particularly 30 to 55 degrees middle part of the continents, both northern and southern hemispheres. Now we are going to temperate deserts climate zone. The temperate deserts climatic zone is located 35 to 55 degrees middle part of the continents, both northern and southern hemispheres. Important temperate deserts are Gobi Desert, Tibet deserts are in Asian continent, Patagonia in South America. The Gobi Desert distributes in Mongolia and China. The Tibet desert distributes in the Himalayas. This one is also called the coldest desert because the height of the Tibet, the height of the Tibet from sea level is more than 4,000 meters. So glaciers are being developed. Glaciers are being developed. That is why this one is also called coldest desert. Patagonia desert distributes or it is located Argentina country of South America. These are the three temperate deserts which are located or distribute 35 to 50 degrees in the middle part of the continents. Now we are going to Britain climatic zone or West European climatic zone or West cool temperate climatic zone. The Britain climatic zone or West cool temperate climatic zone or West European climatic zone is located 45 to 60 degrees in the western part of the continents, both northern and southern hemispheres. Particularly, it is located around the Britain of European continent. So it's called a Britain. It's located western part of the European continent. So it's called West European climate zone, West cool temperate climate zone. Important places of West European climate zone or Britain climate zone or West cool temperate climate zone, Britain, Germany and surrounding countries in Europe, Western Canada, northwestern part of USA in North America, southern part of Chile in South America. These are the important places we can see in Britain climate zone. This climatic zone is well developed. This climatic zone is well developed. Urbanization, industrialization, service sectors, and so forth. This climatic zone is also famous for textiles in the world. In Britain, Lancashire is famous for textile. The rainfall is available due to the anti-trade winds in this climatic zone. The rainfall is available. The rain comes from the Atlantic Ocean in this climate zone. Now we are going to St. Lawrence climatic zone. The St. Lawrence climatic zone is located or it distributes eastern part of Canada, northeastern part of USA. Eastern part of Canada, northeastern part of USA. It is the opposite of the Britain climate zone. Already you know the important places of Britain climate zone. Northwestern part of Europe, particularly Britain and surrounding areas, Western Canada, northwestern part of USA, southern Chile. In Britain climate zone, Ruhr valleys are famous for minerals. Now we are going to St. Lawrence. Important places of St. Lawrence climate zone: Eastern Canada, northeastern part of USA in North America, southern Argentina in South America, northern part of Japan in Asian continent, and southern islands of New Zealand or Gilliland continent. This climatic zone is also well developed. Urbanization, industrialization, service sector, and so forth. Now we are going to Taiga climatic zone or coniferous climate zone. The taiga climatic zone is located 55 to 70 degrees only in the northern hemisphere. Taiga is nothing but cone-shaped forest in Russian language. Taiga is nothing but cone-shaped forest in Russian language. The deepest freshwater lake distributes in this climatic zone, Baikal Lake. It is at Siberia of Russia. And two important coldest places also distribute in this climatic zone. One is Omicron. The second one is Omicron. It is the second coldest place in the world. Omicron is the second coldest place. Minus 78 degrees. Orkoyansk is the third coldest place. Minus 60 degrees. These two are the second and third. Minus 78 Omicron. Minus 68 Orkoyansk. These are the world's second and third places. First place is located in Ice Cape climatic zone. In Ice Cape climatic zone. Important places of the taiga climatic zone are coniferous climatic zone. One is Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Scandinavian countries of Europe, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Siberia, and Kamchatka Peninsula of Russia. Important places are Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland in Europe, Siberia of Russia, and Kamchatka Peninsular Plateau of Russia. These are the important places which distribute in taiga climatic zone or coniferous climatic zone. Important vegetation of taiga climatic zone. Fir pine, larch spruce, coniferous, softwood product. Particularly, this vegetation is used for the manufacturing of the. This vegetation is used for the manufacturing of the newsprint. And 12th one is tundra climatic zone. The tundra climatic zone is located from 70 to 80 degrees